Hi, this is Glenn with All American Eyeglass Repair. Let's talk about how to take your frames on and off. You always want to use two hands to take your frames off and also to put them on. Think about it. We are creatures of habit. I would never wear my watch on my other wrist. When I speak on the phone, I use the same ear every single time. If I do use one hand, more than likely, I'm going to go the same way every time, putting that undue pressure you just saw on the bridge, the trim piece, and also the temple. You'll notice in this Ray-Ban frame, spring temples. Again, use just one hand, you end up putting undue pressure on that spring. If it pops out, we'll be replacing it. Another frame we see a lot of, the Flex-On titanium frame. What happens with this one? You want to show people how this works. You end up flexing it back and forth. More than likely, you're going to flex it the same way every time. After a while, it can get out of line. I hope this information was helpful. And again, if you need any repair done, please contact All American Eyeglass Repair.